Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the update. Check your TV model and current firmware under Settings, About, or System Info so you know what to expect. Once done, connect via Ethernet or a reliable Wi-Fi network because a stable link prevents corrupted downloads. Make sure the TV is plugged in and will not lose power. Updates can take 10-30 minutes. Now navigate to the System or Software Update menu and select Check for Updates to start downloading the new firmware. Once the update download begins, monitor progress and resist interrupting the process. If the download stalls, try switching to Ethernet or restarting your router before pausing. When the installer prompts you, accept and allow the TV to verify the package. This ensures integrity and prevents faulty installs. During installation, do not power off or unplug the device because mid-install interruptions can brick the unit. After the installer finishes, the TV will reboot automatically and may run additional setup tasks. Wait until all stages complete before using apps. After reboot, verify the firmware version in Settings to confirm success, and test key apps and streaming to ensure everything functions. If the update failed or the TV behaves oddly, retry the update. Many brands provide a USB firmware package you can download to a computer and install via a formatted USB drive. Follow the manufacturer's exact file naming and folder rules. If problems persist, reset network settings or do a factory reset as a final step. And contact support if the TV remains unresponsive or won't boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.